Starting a business in 2025 doesn't have to cost a fortune. If the thought of investing thousands of dollars in tools, training, and systems have been holding you back, let me show you how to build your dream business on a budget without compromising on results. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, I'm Dana. I'm a mom, a seasoned IT professional, and also a proud digital business owner. And I'm a mom on a mission to empower women to chase their dreams and to find success on their own terms. I'm helping people launch a digital business while making a difference in the life of others. And today I'm going to share how I transitioned from being just an IT professional to building a flexible, thriving online business on a budget. I'll walk you through the exact strategies I use, the tools that make it affordable, and how you can start your own business without breaking the bank. And the best part, you can get started with a free 90 minutes info session that I'll tell you more about it as we go. So stick around. And let's talk about why starting an online business feels so hard sometimes, right? You feel overwhelmed because there is so much information out there. You think you don't have the skills or experience to even get started. And I'm pretty sure you worry that it's going to cost tens of thousands of dollars just to set it up. And honestly, you are not wrong. If you try to build everything from scratch by yourself, it is overwhelming and it can add up really fast. And just kind of to give you an example of what starting your online business might cost you if you're to do it all by yourself. Sales funnels. It's about $5,900 per year. Managing emails, follow-ups, $9,600 per year. Analytics and tracking. ClickMagick is about $2,400 per year. Easy webinar, just for running your webinar, it's another $5,000 per year. So that's over $22,900, if I'm calculating right, per year, just for the tools and the system. Doesn't include education, inventory, additional support, anything else, right? Even if you get it half price, it's still $10,000, $15,000 just to get some basic system set up. But here is the thing, you don't have to start from scratch. Instead of putting all this together, you can use a plug-and-play system that provides everything you need to get started at just a fraction of this cost. That's exactly what I did. So let me tell you how you start a business on a budget, without cutting corners. And this is what worked for me. We have training that's made for beginners. You don't need experience, a business degree or marketing degree. Step-by-step video training is included in this system that will walk you through everything. We have automated tools from marketing, email marketing to follow-ups. Automation does all the heavy lifting. We are saying it does at least 80% of all the things that you would have to do. So you don't have to spend hours on calls or selling. We have a customized website included, no extra cost. So you have the pre-built sales funnel. This saves you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars also. And you are not doing this alone. You have a mentor, you have a coach, and a global community of almost 250,000 entrepreneurs that are using this business model and are there to help you and share their knowledge and answer any questions you may have. And the best part with this system, because everything gets packaged together, your business can be up and running in as little as 2 weeks. Let's talk about one of the biggest fear I heard, another big fear. I don't know how to start, right? So you don't need to know everything right now. What matters is focus on what you want and why it matters to you. The how, that's where the system and the training comes in. And the free session I mentioned earlier is designed to show you how everything works and answer your questions. so you are not left guessing. Now, let's dream for a moment. Imagine having the time to show up for your kids' soccer practice or ballet dance or their field trip without worrying about work, about how many days off you have to take or what excuse to tell to your boss. Imagine earning from anywhere. You are on vacation, you work for a couple of hours, and your business is going and is providing you the income that you need to spend on that vacation. Or maybe you are at the park watching the kids and answering to one of your leads or checking on your business. Imagine that financial security that grows with your business. And it's not just a fantasy. It's the life that thousands of people in our community are living it right now. It's doable. And it all started with all small step. All of us started by registering to the free info session that it's explaining you everything, and it could change everything for you too. And I know what you're thinking. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? Can this really work for me? These thoughts are normal. Let me tell you this, you don't have to have it all figured out. What matters is starting with the right system and the right support. And this is exactly what this model provides. And I'll walk you through everything during the free info session. If you are dreaming of starting your own business, but feel like, you're afraid of the cost, of uncertainty, of not having the right tools or skills, this is your chance to take that first step. So here is what you need to do next. Click the link in the description, register for that free 90 minutes info session. And you'll learn exactly how to start your online business on a budget. It has all the step-by-steps. It has all the information that I cannot give you in a couple of minutes. And don't forget to like, to subscribe, share this video with someone who might be ready to take their step, or maybe or needed to hear about this. The hardest part is starting, but you'll not be doing it alone. So you'll be part of this amazing community. Let's make 2025 the year where you take control of your future. See you at the info session, and looking forward to make 2025 the best year of our lives.